Hello guys, in this video I will show how to pay Meralco using Atome tap to open the Atome app on your device and go to payment method from the home screen. You'll see the available options to pay your Meralco bills. Choose your preferred payment method. For e-wallets like Gcash or PayMaya, you can pay your Atome card and cash bill directly through your e-wallet account in the app. For over-the-counter payments, you can pay at local branches or partner stores such as Palawan, 7-Eleven, and others. You can also use the Pay Bills feature on supported e-wallets to pay your card and cash bill. Another option is InstaPay, where you pay using the account number provided in the app. Just follow the payment instructions shown for InstaPay. Supported banks include BPI, BDO, Land Bank, and more. Once you've completed the payment, follow the on-screen steps for your selected method. When the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation message, and that's it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.